Live photos capture a few seconds of motion before and after a photo. To use live photo, open the camera app and make sure live is turned on. Take a photo and it will record a short video clip. You can edit live photos by opening the photo, tapping edit, and choosing a new keyframe. You can also convert a live photo into a video or GIF. Foto, video. Live photos make your memories more dynamic and fun.